Keeping track of laundry. What do you do with all the dirty stuff? I used to just chuck it in the case under the bed and then have to sort it all out at the end. But what do I do now? Hi, I'm Jan Obridge, I'm the Cruise Queen. I discovered some laundry bags which have a kind of pull tag on, and I tend to take these with me. They're very light and I take them on my cruises with me. I know it's just a little thing and you might think, well, I don't need a laundry bag to sort out my laundry, but what I do is I put all the laundry in here as it gets used, and then if I'm going to use the amazing laundry package that MSC provide, and they do usually have a tremendous laundry package, 20 items for £20 or something like that, 40 items for £40. The only thing with that though is they've changed the way you can do it now. We used to be able to send it piecemeal, a few items when we were ready, but now you have to send it all at once. They call it, I think, a return home packing, a packing package or something like that. Return home laundry package, whatever it is. You can send it anytime during your trip, but you can only send it all together. So what I do is I put everything in here, and then when I'm ready to send my laundry, maybe a few days before I come home, I sort it all out and put the big things that I want changing or cleaning into the laundry and put it into their bag that they provide, paper bag that they provide, and then just put all the rest of the stuff in here to pack in my suitcase to bring home. Because there's nothing worse. I think the worst job is not packing to go, it's unpacking when you get home. Anybody agree with that? I hate it. So the easier you can make it, then the better it will be. So if you've got all your laundry in a laundry bag, then it's easy just to pull it out and take it down to your laundry room or wherever it is you do your washing, and everything else then is ready to be put back into your wardrobes and so on. So just a small tip. I think I got this from Amazon as well. So check it out. It's just a little thing which can make your life a little bit easier when you're cruising. You might have noticed that today I'm wearing my MSC jacket, which I love. It was my Secret Santa, which I think I already mentioned, but it's got the logo on the back. So I make no apologies for being a big MSC fan. So most of my videos will be MSC. Certainly this year, all the cruises I've got booked so far are all on MSC. So you're going to find out about a lot of different ships as we go through this year. So laundry, great. Have an awesome week. I'm Jan Obridge, I'm the Cruise Queen. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and the notification button and share it with your friends. Have a great week. Bye.